WestHost is an established company providing web hosting services to small businesses and individuals since the early days of the internet. WestHost provides adequate speeds. The page load times is 890 milliseconds. However, websites with a lot of content can occasionally experience performance degradation. Fortunately, WestHost has several different ways to improve performance, at an additional cost of course. They offer VPS with solid-state drives and cloud hosting via Cloudflare CDN. These options are relatively easy to set up if you have an account, and they can significantly improve performance if your needs go beyond the limitations of standard hosting plans. WestHost offers several excellent security features designed to give you several levels of protection. All shared hosting plans have the additional privilege of regular backups. Your website will be backed up every night to ensure that all your hard work is safe. Business plans also include a free SSL certificate, so visitors know your site is secure. Additional features are also available. Site log is an optional feature available at the 3 different price points. The other plans give your site different levels of protection. SiteLog works just like an antivirus app on your computer. It can protect your site from hackers, bots, and other malware. If your website applications or databases are hacked, WestHost engineers will cover the problem for a flat fee of $150 to $300. Another layer of security you can use with WestHost is two-factor authentication. This feature is free and can be turned on and off at will. It helps prevent other people from accessing your account and making changes to your site. If you get one of the standard shared hosting plans, you can check to see if WestHost is suitable for you without any risks. They have a generous refund guarantee policy. Within the first 30 days of signing up, you can close your account and get a full refund. However, this does not apply to domains. This policy gives you more than enough time to determine if your website can take advantage of the hosting plan. The company can also help you move your existing site to their service for free to make things easier. Before you even decide to host your site, you need a domain name. While you can easily register your domain name, additional ongoing costs are involved. If you choose WestHost, you won't have to worry about domain costs at all. They offer a free domain if you host with them, which is great if you're on a tight budget. However, there are some limitations. You can only get one free domain name with shared hosting plans. This privilege is also only available for preferred and business goals. If you choose an affordable personal project, you will still have to pay for your domain. In addition, the free part is reserved only for 1-year subscriptions. WestHost also allows you to get creative with scripts, applications, and content management systems at no extra cost. Installation of these features is free for all web hosting plans. WestHost uses Softaculous to install forums, digital shopping carts, picture galleries, and more in a single click. The company offers support for Perl, PHP, MySQL, and many other programming languages, ensuring that you won't have problems installing most applications. WestHost runs on Linux-based servers. As a result, they use cPanel. cPanel is a web-based interface that makes it easy to change your site. The system is straightforward to use. It features intuitive graphics and different menus for navigation. If you're not familiar with cPanel, WestHost has a detailed demonstration of how to use it. They also have many web-based support pages to help you make the most of the system. WestHost offers several different hosting plans to meet the needs of your business. Their most popular methods are shared hosting and WordPress hosting. Here's some information about what you get for each price. Your website and files are stored in one of WestHost's many data centers with shared hosting. As the name implies, you share a server with multiple account holders. The fact that websites don't have a dedicated server makes these plans so affordable. There are 3 options available to small businesses and individuals. Personal hosting. This affordable plan is for new websites. It's a case in point if you're just getting started. The program includes hosting one website, 50 GB of disk space, and 1000 GB of bandwidth. You can also have one SQL database and unlimited email accounts with 10 GB of storage. Unfortunately, this plan does not include a free domain. However, you do get 10 subdomains. The program also includes up to 100 FTP accounts. It costs $1.99 a month for 12 months. After 12 months, the plan costs $8 a month. With the preferred hosting plan, you can create larger websites. You can also have unlimited websites with your account. This plan includes one free domain and unlimited subdomains. It includes 200 GB of disk space and 2,500 GB of bandwidth. While the personal program offers many SQL databases and FTP accounts, both are unlimited for the preferred plan. The preferred hosting method costs $5.20 per month with a 12, 24, or 26-month commitment. After that period, it will cost $13 per month. The top-tier business hosting plan is focused on providing maximum performance. For these, all specifications are unlimited. This includes unlimited bandwidth and unmeasured storage space. One free domain and a free SSL certificate are included. It also comes with a dedicated IP address for extra security, which you would have to pay for in the other two plans. If you plan to sell products or services, this plan also allows you to integrate a PayPal Buy Now button. A business's hosting plans cost $6.40 a month if you take 12, 24, or 36 months. Then it costs $16 a month. In addition to traditional shared hosting plans, WestHost offers programs optimized for WordPress sites. WordPress is a popular platform that is flexible and easy to use. With WordPress hosting, you can quickly create a website, blog, or e-commerce site in just a few clicks. Every WordPress site hosted by WestHost uses a Cloudflare CDN. This helps reduce load times and bandwidth requirements. All websites are also automatically replicated for security purposes, have built-in security features, and include malware removal features. To make your life easier, WestHost also offers thousands of customizable themes. You can choose from 3 different pricing plans. The WordPress Starter plan includes one domain and 5 GB of disk space. Because the program is cloud-based, your website is stored on fast solid-state drives for improved performance. Your site can receive up to 10,000 visitors per month with this plan. You also get 5 10 GB Pro IMAP email accounts. The starter plan costs just $2 a month with a 12 or 24-month commitment. After completing a contract or subscription for a shorter hosting period, the project will cost $4.99 per month. The primary plan is suitable for those who want to take advantage of all that WordPress offers. It includes 10 GB of SSD space and 25 Pro IMAP email addresses. Up to 25,000 visits are included each month. The primary WordPress plan costs $4 a month with a 1-year commitment. After that, it will cost $9.99 per month. The Pro plan allows you to host more complex WordPress sites filled with content. It has 20 GB of solid-state storage and can host 100,000 visitors each month. The method includes one domain and 50 Pro IMAP email addresses. For the Pro WordPress plan, you'll pay $5.20 per month if you take 12 or 24 months for WordPress plan. Then the price goes up to $12.99 per month.